Hello everyone! Ayan, ito ang dahilan kung bakit ako busy. This is the reason why I'm busy today. Ayan. So, nag-prepare ako ng two kinds of salads. Ayan. Yung base niyan is, lettuce. And then, or mint. And then, corn. So, may, iba siya ng sauce. It's Italian sauce. Is this one, made of ginger. Yung base niya is ginger. Tapos, corn, pomegranate, and chamander. Tapos, ito pa, ayan. Medyo madami-dami, pero mga ilang kain lang yan, ubos na din. And then, the pomelo. Ano yan, 2 piraso yung inanuhan ko. Para kakain na lang talaga sila, guys. 'Di ba? Napaka na. Ready to eat na talaga. So, we're ready for tomorrow's event. Thank you for watching. God bless. Kahit busy, huwag kalumutang umiti at magpangiti. Thank you for watching.